Welcome to another air traffic out of control flyby. I'm your host, Amy Tango Charlie. Today, we go down to Miami Executive Airport, where a business jet radios the tower with an emergency due to an engine loss. The plane crashes in the Florida Everglades, and the authorities are notified along with air rescue. Amazingly, even though the aircraft is upside down, everyone aboard survives and is okay.
Tower 64525, we're in an emergency. We got an engine out. We're about 7 miles southwest. Looks like we're going to have to put it out here in the exit.
November 64535, roger. Altimeter is 2996.
Roger on that. We're about 900 feet now, 2 on board, blue and white.
2 on board, blue and white.
Confirm. And we're about 12 miles southwest. Looks like we can get to a landlocked.
Roger. The air rescue you up? There's 64535, we're trying to get somebody dispatched. Number 64535, how do you hear? Air rescue tower. Yes, we have an aircraft down in the Everglades, 12 to the southwest. It's 2 souls on board, and it's a blue aircraft.
Tower 60429, we're 6. Do you want us to go out there for some reconnaissance, or are you okay?
64429, we have air rescue dispatchers, right? Stand by. Air rescue you up? Number 64429, you can continue inbound runway 9 right. We have people going runway 9 right, clear to land.
You inbound 9 right, clear to land. What's the tail number on the aircraft that went down? Tower 64429, what was the tail number on the aircraft that went down?
Number 64429, say again?
What was the tail number on the aircraft that went down?
64535.
Oh, so 429, we're going to break off. We're not the Delta, we're going to break off to the west, so we're going to go look at that aircraft. That's part of the same club as part of this plane. We'll come back in about 15 minutes.
Roger. Air rescue you up? Air rescue 1, we need you to dispatch a helicopter. We have an aircraft down in the Everglades, 12 southwest. Air rescue, San Miami Tower. Roger, we got Metro Police 4 down there now.
Tower 6429, we're getting a transmission from 535. I don't know if you can hear it.
No, I can't hear it. They are on the ground?
Yeah, 64429, we can relay any message you need from 535.
Okay, we just do have Metro Police helicopter out there circling, and Air Rescue 4 is departing now.
Okay, 535, this is November 64429, or part of the club plane. How do you read?
64429, roger.
Yeah, 64429, we can hear you. Tammy Tower was relaying a message. There are Metro Police in your vicinity right now, and there's another one being dispatched to your direction. Wait, David, David, you're good? All right, we're about 5 from your location. I don't know if you need any lookout. We're coming down there just to check on, make sure everything's okay. But yeah, there's one more being dispatched to you right now. Okay, Tammy Tower 64429er, just got word everybody is okay. The aircraft is upside down. They acknowledge the air rescue is in the area. Like I said, everybody is okay.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
That's all for this air traffic out of control flyby. If you love the show, check out the show notes for a link to follow us on Twitter. Also, to make sure you don't miss an episode, be sure to follow or subscribe in your podcast player. Thanks for joining us on board today. Bye-bye.